So on a day like this, when I have nothing planned, just take off and figure it out as we go. Let's get it. Hey, good morning guys. It's a Sunday morning and just gonna do a short little ride. Thought I'd record it on the way. Just gonna go to the dealer. They're having their end of month bash there, which, by the way, if you're thinking about buying a bike, I think that's best time is to get out to their end of month event. Anywho, I got my son behind me in the Mustang GT. We'll roll out to the dealer, hang out for a little bit, have some coffee there.
Every second an hour, I think I used to be sweeter, but now I'm feeling too sour. I used to feel on top, and now I'm losing my power. Now I just do it, get a check, and get a meal and devour. I ran out of juice to make the lemonade.
Oh shit. Hey, come check me now, Jay.
There she is.
Siege Diner.
Yeah. Oh.
There's a bit of hunger. A human.
So, what?
Thank you, sir.
Lucille. The host will see to you. Thank you. Got myself a club sandwich.
I got it. It's called the steakhouse salad. Lucille steakhouse salad. The skirt steak. It's medium.
This is what's left of the club sandwich right here.
Club sandwich. We might order one of these things. Look at this.
Milkshake, man. Shaking upstairs.
That's a Oreo milkshake. Literally 1 second later.
Yeah, you suck that milkshake down.
Bring my hat today. Forgot my shades. What is going on, man? Come here, bro. Say something to the camera, bro.
Money, bitches, and horsepower.
Teacher,
I
man.
haven't seen this guy in what is it, a month, and you got the camera on me. I feel like you're the police and I'm in trouble.
They all right again? So it's a 139 turbo.
What?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's a lot of horsepower. And torque.
It's got bigger valves, machining to the head gun. The compression is low because it's a boosted bike.
Right.
Yeah. Went over the V2 power for
It's a turbo bike. Gus is building back. Yeah, I had a turbo already.
little baby turbo, nothing crazy. But nonetheless, it's gonna be between like 15 and 20 pounds of boost, because they still wanna make it to where it's street rideable. It's a fast turbo system, the Assault turbo system, I think. This one is adequate for the bigger displacement that the new motor's got, and this bitch is in a rib. It's going back to V-Twin Power Sports as an assembled bike for Chris over there to tune it. That guy's a badass. He's in a tuning, should be pushing like close to 300, if not over 300 horsepower.
Holy jeez.
I mean, yeah, because it wasn't on that much boost before. Because now you're saying 15,
It was
20?
only on like 8 or 9 pounds.
Yeah, that's.
With this new tune and the bigger motor.
Alligator Alley, #1 service department in the nation.
I have to agree with
Second
that.
to none, baby.
I'm not biased on that. I have to agree.
These are facts. I'll pull the numbers up.
Yeah.
Yeah, facts.
You got
They're
brains,
number one in a lot of
bones,
things.
and balls.
I'm #1 personally.
Number one
So
in my heart.
I would want to think, you know. Most of my girl thinks so. She went to the beach by herself, so I don't know yesterday. So I don't know. She might be #2. She went with her other boyfriend.
So this is Sawgrass Recreation. There's parking in the back there. If you're on a motorcycle, you don't want to go back there. Well, you can. It's not that bad. It's not paved, but the dirt is packed in. But your bike is going to get dirty. So you got this back here. Got a gift shop there, and then all the airboat captains there. And we got a little iguana over here. Let's see. We got 2 iguanas over here. These guys do airboat rides at night, which I'm thinking of actually coming on the bike and then going on a evening airboat ride. It's kind of interesting. Most of the alligators in Florida, just so you know, they're very active at night, and so you will get to see alligators. The airboat captains carry flashlights on them, so you'll be able to see them. And I mean, there's a lot of water. Lots of water. Lots of marsh marsh and water. Man, kind of scared me. Looked through the rearview mirror, big old bus. Cafe 27's right over there. Excuse me. And looks pretty packed. They probably got entertainment going on right now. And then right back here, you know what? Let's go back here. Right back here is Holiday Park, Everglades Holiday Park, and everything back here has been renovated from what it was before. The roads, parking spaces, the building itself, the restrooms, the boat ramps. So the county bought this out. I think this was privately owned before. And they took it over and fixed it up, prettied it up. And it's a pretty cool tourist spot right now. So parking for this place is right back here, and they do have motorcycle parking. I did take pictures on my Instagram channel one time, but the bike parking is right over here, right here to the left. I'll come around and so you can park. Oh, and somebody did a nice big no-no and parked in the bike spaces. That's nice. But those are the parking spaces there. And then you would walk up this ramp here. The little store is right over there, little convenience store. And you can pay inside, or you can pay ahead and schedule a airboat ride. They do have a gator show there, but the airboat rides are right over there in that side. And then here is another levee. This does not connect to the levee to Markham Park. This levee here goes all the way to Tamiami Trail. And it does do a big loop. When you get to Tamiami Trail, it does do a big loop around. There's a smaller loop. I think it's like 25 miles. The bigger loop is about 38 miles, I want to say, something like that. If you want to ride with a mountain bike back there. So this intersection here is intersection of US 27 and Sheridan Street. And right on that corner over there, the Sunoco, gas station. There's a car meet every Sunday. They'll start gathering around this time, so we may not see too much. Quite a few cars there. Let's see what we can see. Let's see what we can see. Ooh, that's nice right there. That Camaro. There's my son's car. Mustang GT. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Latest edition of the Coffee Hogs. We're over here at the Weston Diner now. We're gonna have a little food, but I'm here with all my buds. Yeah. So hey, you guys, don't forget to smash that like. And also, I wanted to let you know that I got my Patreon channel now. So if you want to hit that up, look up for patreon.com/coffeehogs. See you guys in the next one. Until then,
like and subscribe.
See that? He even said it, man. Stay safe on the road. See y'all real soon.